Are you ready to transform your space into a stylish, functional masterpiece? Whether it's a home makeover, office revamp, or a fresh design perspective, Freelance Interior Designers are here to bring your dream to life. Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Name. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more expert tips on design, decor, and lifestyle. Today we're talking about expert freelance interior designers, why they're a game changer for your projects, and how you can find the perfect match for your vision. Gone are the days when interior design was only for luxury projects or big-budget clients. Freelance interior designers offer flexibility, creativity, and personalized services at competitive rates. Cost-effective solutions. Freelancers have lower overhead costs, meaning you get premium design services without breaking the bank. Unique, customized designs. Every project is tailored to fit your style, budget, and functionality. Direct communication. Work closely with your designer to ensure your ideas come to life seamlessly. Fast turnaround. Many freelance designers offer quicker completion times compared to big firms. So, what kind of services can freelance interior designers offer? Let's take a look at some of the most popular options. Home interior design. Whether you want a cozy living room, a stylish bedroom, or a functional kitchen, a freelancer can help create the perfect space. Office and commercial spaces. From startup offices to boutique shops, expert designers ensure your space is both attractive and productive. Furniture and decor selection. Get expert advice on the right furniture, color schemes, and decorative elements for a polished look. 3D rendering and visualization. See your design before execution with advanced 3D mock-ups. Renovation and space planning. Maximize your space with smart layouts and renovation strategies. Finding the perfect designer is easier than ever, thanks to online platforms and personal recommendations. Here's how to choose the right one for you. Check their portfolio. Look at their past. Designers offer incredible expertise at a fraction of the cost. Hiring one could be the best decision you make for your home or business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more interior design tips and inspiration. Drop a comment below and let us know, what's your next design project? Thanks for watching and happy designing.